mhlawumbe uyayibuza ukuthi why is this happening to me? Baningi abantu abake bahlangabezana nalombuzo. This is a question that many of us have come across. Back in the days, I remember Isaac ekhulekela unkosikazi wakho Rebecca ukuthi athola abantwana because ubengabathola abantwana. And yes, she did conceive. But then inkinga yaqala lana mangabe i-pregnancy yakhe siba nama complications. Something eyayi blessing turned out to bring so much pain. She didn't understand what was happening. I'm sure now at one stage ukwakhulekela umsebenzi namhlanje kumsomluko ekseni uyacabanga ukuthi kufanele uvuke emsebenzini and you hate each and every second going to that workplace. A blessing has turned out to be a living hell. Mhlawumbe ulinde iminyaka eminingi ukhulekela umntwana and umntwana usumtholile. The blessing turns out to be a curse. Uzutshela abantu ukuthi wena uzalanga wabola amathumbu. You may have prayed for umshado kubona namhlanje, but ever since wangena kulo mshado uyazi into ekuthiwa injabulo. The blessing has turned out to be a curse. It has brought so much pain. I need you to remember a few things. Impilo ayikaze yasofferisha ama guarantees ukuthi konke kuzohamba ngendlela esifisa ngayo. Actually, some of those things they come just when sicabanga ukuthi we have everything under control. When your mind is full of why this, why that, why me? Khumbula ukuthi uNkulunkulu uthi be still and know that I am God. If you don't know what to do, khumbula ukuthi God does. Right now, quitting is not an option. Suicide is not an option. Drugs are not an option. Yes, you can try, you can cry, but it has to come to a stop. Until usula lezo nyembeze emehlweni akho, that is when actually you will see clearly. Until you pick yourself up, help will come your way. Uzokhumbula, maybe that is when you will realize ukuthi there is someone who's been standing, waiting to grab your hand. It's just that you've been lying there facing down. You did not even realize ukuthi help is just here next to you. I want you to remember ukuthi when no one shows up to rescue you, God will show up. Khuthazeka namhlanje kuseni, walk with your head up high. It doesn't matter ukuthi ufacene naziphi inkinga. But when no one is there to give you a helping hand, know that God will always be there willing to give you a helping hand.